Hi friends, my name is Gaganpal Singh Taliwal and I am visiting my campus again. I was a ECE 2013 batch pass out and I am here to give expert talk on upcoming technologies which include Bitcoin, ISO safety standards for automobiles and the US market and the Europe market and how the automobile industry work over there. And it was an awesome way of reliving the moments that I have done in CGC. I'm currently working in US for TCS as an automotive engineer and I work for a leading automotive client. Talking about college days, my journey started in 2010 when I joined as a lead student directly in the second year of BTech ECE. It was an awesome journey. I used to do Malwai Gidda, host shows. It was a fabulous time. And I miss a lot of my Malwai Gidda friends and my other friends. I miss all of you. Yeah, you should come back to this college and relive your moments again. When I was studying here, I also remember the scoldings and everything from my faculty, and I miss all of them, and I cannot name everyone here, but they were awesome and they were a huge support behind me, which enabled me to get 2 offers from the campus placement in L&T Infotech and HCL Technologies. I have been through a lot of campuses due to my job, and I have visited a lot of campuses even in US, but I have not found any campus which is as vibrant as this one. And if I could, I would like to come back to this campus again.